In this video, we'll take a closer look at the visualization capabilities of the Maya Marketing Performance app. Keep in mind that the reports you'll see here are subject to change as we continue to release new features in the near future. We start with the Campaign Analysis tab of the report. Here you'll find a line bar chart across the time dimension, as well as a matrix of data. Both of these can be customized to suit your reporting needs on the spot. Let's dive deeper to see some of the report's features that will be useful for your analysis. First of all, from the drop-down menus here, you will be able to select which measures you wish to examine in the graph, while on the right side you will notice two filter panes. You can select different measures and filters every time to customize your view and adjust it according to your analysis needs. For example, here we will select the impressions and CPM measures and then filter based on the service and campaign cluster. Moreover, by clicking on these arrows in the top right corner, you can either drill up or down the time dimension to adjust the granularity of the graph. Also, here you can view your cost for the current month so far, as well as a projection of your spending until the end of this month. These are also filtered based on the filters that you have selected. For example, when you select Google Ads and the brand campaign cluster, you will be able to view these metrics specifically for this segment. We continue to the matrix below, where you also have the ability to adjust it and use multiple dimensions to view different aspects of your performance. By adding in the dimensions that are important to you, you can drill down or expand these segments so you can get a more granular look at your data. Plus, a little tip here is that the matrix can also be used as a filter for the graph. By clicking on one or multiple elements, you can easily filter the graph and the metrics at the top, as you can see here. Keep in mind that you can always view the filter information section to check all the applied filters of the report. Last but not least, on the top of the graph you will notice a Set Conversions drop-down. This is a conversion selector that will enable you to choose the conversions you want and align your analysis with your internal KPI and business objectives. You can either select an entire conversion cluster or a single conversion. In the next video, we'll cover the Dashboard tab to complete our overview of the app's visualization capabilities. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.